I mean, you've got a lot to say in the government of our country, so get them doing something.
Onorevole Evans.
Thank you. Mrs. Evans, you have 1 minute. Isn't she here? No.
This may be a step forward in a long campaign to get justice for thalidomide survivors. It should never have been necessary for those survivors to have to campaign to get justice, but campaign they did, and very effectively. So we see here cross-party backing for financial support for all of the survivors. We can play a role here, together with the Member States, in coordinating actions. And we urge the German government to allow access to the health scheme, which would enable survivors to deal with increasing health problems and independent living costs. The health needs are well documented. A UK study showed that thalidomide survivors were amongst those with the poorest health-related quality of life in the population. That would include some of my constituents in Wales. We owe them justice. We owe their families justice. It's been over 50 years. It's been far too long. Let's put it right now.
Grazie, onorevole Agnew.
Thank you, Mr. Agnew. 1 minute.
I can remember the births of thalidomide children when I was a boy, and the appalling devastation this wreaked on those families. And I have been hugely impressed by those thalidomide victims who haven't been so badly affected with what they've been doing in this Parliament.